Good morning! Welcome to our day 4 here in Royal Caribbean. Today, we are here at Ishigaki. Ang baba namin kasi dito sa Japan is always 12 noon. Tapos ngayon hanggang 7 p.m. Yesterday sa Okinawa, we were until 9:15. But today, hanggang 7 p.m. lang kami. O ayan, remnants of Okinawa.
Yes.
Cream puff. Ayan. So, it's almost 12 noon already. Naku, ang gulo ng kwarto. Ipakita natin ang chaos. Yan. Good morning! Welcome to Ishigaki! Anyway, we're just gonna eat lunch first before we go down. We'll see you later! Weather check for Ishigaki, it's 16 degrees but feels like 9 degrees today. So outfit check, manipis lang yung jacket ko today pero naka-thermals ako sa loob. And then I just brought a shawl for extra warmth, my joggers and sneakers. Tingnan natin, hopefully hindi kami ulanin today. Based on weather forecast, it's just windy the whole afternoon and there's no more rain. Hello! Nandito na naman kami sa Windjammer for quick lunch before we go down Ishigaki. Wala pa naman kasing announcement na pwede nang bumaba. So we're still waiting for clearance to go down. So while waiting, we will eat first. Hello! The food is basically the same. There are just parang ibang flavor lang. Yung fish fillet, kahapon it's soya. Ngayon, it's different flavor. Yung pancit, iba lang din yung flavor but it's basically the same. Ako kasi naka-breakfast mode pa ako. So, salad, cold cuts, bread. Yun lang yung kinuha ko. In fairness, kahit naman pare-pareho yung pagkain, masarap naman. So, it's okay. Tapos marami naman din siya. So, parati ko naman may makukuha pa rin something different every day. Nag-announce na pwede nang bumaba. The ship has been cleared. So, you can go down naman anytime. Hindi siya katulad kahapon sa Okinawa kasi na because there's face-to-face immigration, you only have until 2 p.m. to go down. And if you don't go down, by 2 p.m., you already forfeit your chance to go down in Japan, including Ishigaki. But since we already have our passport stamp, we can go down Ishigaki anytime. Basta we just have to be back at the ship by 7 p.m. Hello! We're all going out na to Ishigaki. It's 1:30 actually. So ngayon pa lang kami bababa. So you just have to show your SeaPass card. We're out! Naku, mahangin na naman. This is Ishigaki! Woo! Ang hangin. Ang haba na naman ng pila. So we'll see how we can get to the city. Pipila na lang kami ulit sa bus. Henry Summer, tsaka si Ninya pala. Summer feels.
Ishigaki feel.
Malamig Malamig. Buti na lang naka-thermal ako. Yeah, so far, hindi pa naman hinahanap yung passport copy namin with the stamp. So, hindi namin alam kung kailan siya kailangan. We'll see later kung magbalik. So, ngayon yung SeaPass card lang namin yung kailangan going down the ship. And this is already the line for the shuttle bus going to the city. They're all surprised with Henry's outfit. Fashion! Even he is surprised he is in shorts. It's cold. We already have our Shorex tickets for the bus. This is again $20 round trip going to the city. So last shuttle is 6:30 p.m. This is our bus. Ayan, tapos nandun din yung pila ng taxi. Hindi na rin kami nag-attempt mag-taxi kasi ang tumal ng dating. Ang haba ng pila, ang dami namin. So nag-bus na lang din kami. This is Ishigaki. Actually, may mga naglalakad from the cruise also. But it's actually a 40-minute walk to the city. Dito na kami sa bus terminal. Ayan, sunod-sunod na yung bus. Dito nila kami binaba and then dito din kami sasakay mamaya. So last trip of the bus is at 6:30 p.m. Alam niyo, dito din kami bumaba nung nag-star cruise kami going here to Ishigaki last time, back in 2017. Okay, we'll go around Ishigaki first. long line. What's this? Spam? Oh yeah, it's spam musubi. Buti na naman kami ng ulan. Sinungaling na naman si weather app. Sabi niya wala nang ulan ngayong hapon. Umuulan na naman. Buti na lang yung mga seniors, hindi na namin sinama. At hindi na rin sila sumama kasi napagod din sila yesterday. Based on the weather app nga, wala nang ulan this afternoon. But apparently, it's still raining. So, buti na lang. So, walang laman yung mga freezer. Naubos. We don't know if it's New Year nga yesterday or because there were a lot of people from the cruise. The racks are empty. Okay, we're going to the arcade which is beside Family Mart. Yan si Family Mart. We think the arcade is over there by the end. So doon kami pupunta. Doon kami mag-iikot-ikot. We keep seeing this purple thing. Di ba kahit sa Okinawa, parating may purple. So what is it? Anyway, this is the arcade na pwedeng puntahan at pwedeng pasyalan. So we will just walk around here. They will try this game. Everyone is a winner daw. It's just a lucky draw kung ano yung plushie na makukuha mo, right?
I just want the lowest one. I just want the smallest one. That's the thing. That's
Yun nga lang yung gusto niya eh, yung number 4. This is for 1,000 yen. Oh, be lucky, Teo. Ate just wants number 4.
Don't beep it a bit, Aya. I don't need the number 1.
One. 4.
Yay! Which one are you getting?
Parang mas maganda yung red one.
Oo, parang mas maganda yung red. Mas striking. You agree? Success! 1,000 yen.
That's not bad.
Oo. We've reached the end of the arcade already. So, maglalakad naman kami dito sa labas. And then sabi nila there's another arcade here on this side. So, we'll check this out. Ayan. Itong arcade naman na to walang tao. Para mga specialty shops kasi dito. Sa kabila yung mga souvenir shops, mga keychains.
Local stuff.
Yeah, these are local stuff. That's right. Balik na kami ulit din sa kabila because there's nothing here. May store dito na pinipilahan. There, Ishigaki Beef Sushi. Ang haba ng pila. So, makikipila tayo. This is their menu. There. Ang daming tao. And we are all the way here. Success kami. Nakabili na kami dito yung pinipilahan. Ishigaki Beef Sushi. Yan. Thank you, Kyra. Trinit nila kami ng Ishigaki Beef. This is what we got. Yung 3 kinds, 1,000 yen. Here are the others. Pero kasi sold out na din yung iba. And this is how it looks like. Yan. There. Itadakimasu. It's this one. Sarap. Try natin tong may ano. Ararosep.
I like that.
You like it? This is the last one with wasabi.
I like the salty.
All 3 are good. Success. Nasubukan din namin siya. Good, good.
I like that
1,000
last
yen.
one.
Which one is that?
The
Yeah,
marbled ishigaki biscuit.
I like that also, the marbled one. Yeah, that's my favorite. Okay, we're going. Nakahabol pa kami ng ice cream dito. We got the Okinawan salt cookie flavor. Let's try. Sarap!
Sarap siya. Masulit.
Umaya siya sa akin. Masarap. Okay, we're done going around here in Ishigaki. Dito lang kami talaga nag-ikot-ikot sa arcade. Anyway, pabalik na kami sa ship. Time check, it's 4:20. We still have until 6:30 if we'd like. Pero dahil maulan na naman din and wala naman masyadong makita, babalik na kami sa ship. So, meron palang bumili sa amin itong famous purple tart. It's everywhere, no? Parati naming nakikita.
Nabi ikaw, wala sa Tita Val.
Ube tart. Masarap nga siya. Masarap naman. How much yung isang box? 1,200 yen for 6 pieces. Actually, masarap siya frozen. Napastop pa kami dito sa drugstore sa taas ng Family Mart. So, last minute shopping. We'll see what we can get. Document lang natin, no? Dito yung ube tart, 900 lang. Yung bili ni Kyra, 1,200. Okay, nakahabol pa kami ng shopping
6:30.
dito kay drugstore. I think this is Daikoku, tama ba? Yung orange, yung logo. Okay, we're just waiting for the others and we're going back to the bus stop na. Totoo na to. Bus stop na kami. Dito na kami. Again, ayan si Family Mart. We will cross here. Papunta dito yung back to the bus station. We're already here. This is the line. Ayan yung bus. So, medyo mahaba na yung pila. And it's cold. And it's raining na naman.
There, it's moving, it's moving.
Yeah, moving. Hello, we're already back in the room. Time check, it's 6:10 p.m. Boarding time actually is 7 p.m. today for Ishigaki. Pero again, hindi namin siya sinasagad. We try to be at the ship at least an hour earlier. Just to be sure, kasi lalo na big group kami. So, hindi namin alam kung magkakasya kami dun sa bus, kung may masasakyan ba kami. Kasi last trip is 6:30 p.m. So, anyway, pagpasok namin, we found this note. Ayan. And a cute towel. So, passport distribution is going to be tomorrow because it's the last day at sea. Ayan, makikita nyo naman kung saan yung location nung pag-claim ng passport based on your staterooms. So, sa amin, dito lang naman sa midship elevator lobby sa deck 7 also. By the way, pagpasok namin kanina sa Ishigaki, that was the time that they looked for the passport copy na merong stamp ng Japan Immigration. So, we had to submit that upon entry sa ship. So, make sure you don't lose your passport copy with the stamp kasi hahanapin siya dun sa last port going back to the ship from Japan. We're here na ulit sa main dining. Umabot kami tonight. And this is their menu for tonight. Yung drinks nga pala nila, you can choose lemonade or hot tea. And then later, you can also ask for coffee. Yun yung mga kasama na free. Our appetizers are here already. This is the crispy coconut jumbo shrimp. And this is the Asian style pork bao tacos. Ito din yung egg drop soup. This is the shrimp. Shrimp with chili sauce. With a hint of coconut, that's right. Here's our main dish. This is the jumbo shrimp. The stir-fried noodles with shrimp. This one naman is the New York strip steak. And the pork chop over there. Here's the noodle. Para siyang high-end na pancit canton. Kamusta yung pork chop?
Masarap naman siya. Kahit makapal, malambot pa din. Daming spices.
But it's good naman.
But it's good.
Ah, okay. Here's our dessert. This is the pineapple cake and the blueberry cobbler. Tikman natin tong si pineapple cake. Ito daw dapat yung masarap at saka yung royal chocolate cake and the blueberry cobbler. So that's why I got this naman. Okay na ma'am. Hindi naman siya talaga lasang pineapple. Para siyang ano, lemon sponge cake. We're done with dinner. We're here naman sa bump car. There. This is a complimentary activity. Ngayon lang namin siya maaabutan actually. Yan, this is from 7:30 to 10 o'clock for tonight. Medyo mahaba lang yung pila. We're at the end. It goes all the way there. It's fast though. Pero mabilis lang naman, yes. We're next! Nauntog ako! Ito! Ito! At saka ito! Sandwich! Yung ulo ko hindi alam kung sa harap o sa likod uuntog eh. Nandito naman kami sa Royal Theater. Ayan na. Manonood naman kami ng show ng 9:15. Parang magic show yata yung tonight. Hello, we're done with the show. It's a nice magic show. Very entertaining naman. Natuwa ka ba? Tawa ng tawa to eh. Time check, it's 10:15 p.m. So, mukhang babalik na kami sa room and rest na lang. Yeah, tomorrow na lang ulit. Tomorrow we will be at sea. Bye! Bye! Good morning! Welcome to our day 5 here in the cruise. Morning! Ginising lang ako ni Daddy kasi gusto niya mag-breakfast dito sa Cafe 270 but they're still closed. Okay. The app says it's open at 11 a.m. today but here it's gonna open at 11:30. So again, we are just going to be at sea today. So we'll share with you kung ano yung magagawa namin today here at the ship. Medyo maganda yung weather ngayon. So baka mas maraming activities na pwedeng magawa today. Okay, we've decided we'll just go to main dining for brunch kasi we haven't tried main dining yet. So baba kami 1 floor sa deck 4, yung main dining. We're already here at the main dining. Ito yung menu nila. Let's check. Ngayon lang kami kakain dito for this cruise. I already have my brunch. I ordered the eggs your way with 2 eggs, bacon, hash browns, and sausages. So ito siya. Si Daddy got naman bagel, may eggs benedict pang coming, and the fruit plate. It's the bacon I like. Nag-request ako ng more bacon kasi nga it's the bacon that I like. More bacon, the crunchy one, yes. So here in the main dining, it's a la carte, but again, this is complimentary. And you can just request for additional food if you like. Nandito na yung iba. Nagising na. Joining us for breakfast. Good morning! Yung server nga pala namin ngayon, si Sir Ron. Pinoy din siya. Hi! Nabi naman got the Royal Chicken Burger. Ayan. Favorite mo yan sa Royal Caribbean nga pala, no?
Yeah.
She always gets that. And then, si Mama got naman yung salmon. Kasi nga, brunch ngayon. So, meron na siyang mains at saka breakfast mix sa menu. Si Vanna naman yung pancake.
Ako diet fruits.
Yes.
Ako lalo, Daddy. Ako ang pinaka-diet, wala, no food.
No food. Wala pa yung food niya. Ano yung order mo?
Extra way. Hindi ba ako kumain si Mother lang?
Siya pa yung ano eh, siya pa yung nanggugulo sa amin ni Ivana, nagmamadali siya kasi gutom na nga lang.
Yeah.
So, Look,
Si Mama, nakatingin sa bacon.
we have more bacon. Narinig yata nila yung usapan namin. Nag-uusap na kami, mag-order kami extra bacon pa. Dumating na kaagad bacon. Hello, pagkatapos namin kumain sa main dining, dito naman kami sa Windjammer. Titingnan din namin kung anong meron sila dito kasi sabi nila meron daw lechon belly, may roast beef for today. So, we will check it out. Ito lang yung pinunta namin dito. Si roasted pork belly. We will try. And the roast beef. Here na. I got my roast beef and my lechon belly. Pero yung sauce nila na lechon belly, apple sauce. So sila na binaghanap ng suka. Mas bagay daw siya sa suka. This is our lunch extension. So that's just what's nice also with Royal Caribbean. Kahit saan ka magpunta, you're free to eat. Kahit na nanggaling na kami ng main dining, but since Windjammer is still open, we can have lunch here again. Actually, kung bukas pa rin si main dining, kahit tapos na kami kumain doon, pwede pa rin kaming bumalik sa kanya. If we so wish na kakain kami doon ulit. Tingnan nyo itong mga kasama namin. Galing din to ng main dining. Busog na daw sila.
Nothing can
Good.
stop us from lechon.
Hello! Nandito na kami sa deck 15. The sun is out today and the boat is not that shaky, although it's still moving a little bit. But it's better than day 2. Alas ang hangin. So, the kids are able to do some activities today. Andito sila sa deck 15. Some are doing rock climbing, the others are doing flow rider. Yung iba nasa solarium. So, we'll go check them out. These are the complimentary activities that you can do here while on the ship. Ngayon lang siya nag-open. And Teo's in line with Uncle Henry. Hey, you're next! Hi! Ayan, magra-rock climbing sila. Sina Kuya daw nasa flow rider.
Sa flow rider.
I'll go to them first. Oh, there's Kuya! Oh. Hindi sa akin sinabi ni Kuya sa chat niya na we needed to sign his waiver kasi nga pala minor siya. Butay umabot. This is the area of the flow rider. Ayan. Tapos dyan din kami sa likod nag-i-fly nung first day. Ayun sila. They're in line. Ang haba ng pila today. Ayan. Malapit na sila. They're given their harness na. And then, they have rock climbing shoes naman dito na pwede mong gamitin. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa flow rider, yung mga mag-flow rider. Hello, after ng outdoor activities nila, lumipat naman sila dito sa indoor pool. Nagsiswimming naman sila ngayon. Yung mga boys, nandun naman sa hot tub. There. Yung iba naman are inside solarium, kaya lang kasi for adults lang yon. So yung mga kids, nandito sa indoor pool. Ngayon lang maraming na-enjoy na activities kasi they're open. So at least nakapag-enjoy sila kahit last day na sa cruise. Hello! Time check, it's 7 o'clock already. Nagkakagulo kami sa schedule kasi 6:30 yung dinner namin sa main dining room. But the kids are having fun swimming. So they're not gonna make it to dinner. So pupuntahan ko muna sila and ask about their plans kung gusto nga nilang kumain or mamaya na lang. And then I will go to the main dining room also to join the others naman after. We're already here at the main dining. Grabe, ang daming binigay ni na Sir Jarrell and Yana na food. We have bulalo, fried salmon, and beef steak with rice. What's that? That's the fried mutton. Ang dami naming pagkain. Hindi pa naman kami kompleto ngayon kasi nagsiswimming pa yung iba. Ayan. Ang daming food. We'd like to say thank you lang kay Sir Jarrell and Yana. Thank you so much. Yes, it's our last night tonight. Thank you. We had a good dinner din naman dito sa main dining, kahit na madalian. Punta naman muna kami ng guest services. We will settle our bill, make sure that everything is okay with the charges, and then we will order our family pictures sa photo gallery. Hello, we're already back in the room. Tonight is our final night here at Royal Caribbean Cruise. Time check, it's 10 p.m. already. Meron pang mga shows na pwedeng panoorin actually, but we went straight to the room because we need to pack already. Dahil dapat by 10 p.m. until before 12 midnight, you have to put your luggage out already by the door if you want them to bring your luggage dun sa arrivals area para hindi mo sila bibit-bitin tomorrow. You will receive a note naman sa room ninyo for the instructions for the disembarkation. So, nandito naman kung anong oras nyo kailangan i-vacate yung room, anong oras nyo kailangan bumaba, and they will also leave luggage tags for your luggage. So, they will know kung saan nila ilalagay yung luggage niyo. And you will know also kung saan nyo sila hahanapin pagbaba ng ship. And then, reminders lang, make sure to drop by guest services also to settle all your balance just in case may mga purchases kayong ginawa sa ship. Just to make sure that all your charges are cleared by your card. Kasi yung nangyari sa amin before, naka-attach yung credit card namin dun sa app, but upon exit, na-hold ako kasi si card, hindi niya in-approve yung charges. So, just to be sure na magiging maayos yung exit ninyo, upon disembarkation, just make sure to visit guest services at least the day before to make sure na cleared kayo of all your expenses. So, that's it muna for tonight. Magliligpit lang muna kami and ilalabas na namin yung luggage namin sa hallway. Hello! We're here inside the elevator. Akyat baba lang kami. Kasi, inaantay namin na mag-change plates si Royal Caribbean, yung sa elevator. But they're famous for that. So, it's 11:59. Tama? Or 12 na?
It's 12.
Oy, umabot ka pa!
Hi, Uncle Roy.
Yeah. So, nandito lang kami sa loob ng elevator. Nagjo-joyride hanggang sa mapalitan siya.
Hala.
It's her birthday. So there, they changed na. It's Sunday. Surrender! So, success kami dun sa pag-change ng plates. Naabutan namin siya. And ngayon, diretso kaming lahat dito sa Windjammer for our last midnight snack. And it's Sam's birthday! Happy birthday, Sam! We're already back in the room. So this is the end of our cruise, technically, because this is our last night here at Spectrum of the Seas. And tomorrow, we will be disembarking already and go back to Hong Kong na. Babalitaan din naman namin kayo kung kamusta yung magiging disembarkation process namin with Spectrum of the Seas. Good night! Hello everyone! Good morning! It's January 4, 2026 today. and we are already disembarking from our Spectrum of the Seas Royal Caribbean cruise. So ngayon bababa na kami and we are already back in Hong Kong actually. Time check, it's 6:45 a.m. We need to vacate the room by 7:15 a.m. But we are still allowed to have breakfast naman either sa main dining or sa Windjammer, yung buffet, until 8:30 a.m. So everyone is expected to vacate the ship by 8:30 this morning. Anyway, I just want to share with you also kung magkano yung cost ng cruise namin. But in all honesty, this schedule is a bit more expensive than the other cruises because naka-New Year sailing kami. Yung room namin ni Daddy, we have twin sharing na balcony. Nakuha namin siya for $2,793. Lumalabas siya $1,396.50 per person. The rest of the other balcony rooms naman that we got, lahat yon triple sharing. So we got it for $3,740.50. So it comes out to $1,246.83 per person. The rest of the group naman, we got interior rooms for them. So quad sharing naman sila. 4 sila dun sa loob ng interior room. It's $3,699. So it comes out to $924.75 per person. Meron din palang quad sharing na balcony. It's for $4,656. So it comes out to $1,164 per person. So that's already for 5 nights and 6 days. And those prices already include taxes, fees, gratuities. Because sa cruise, they actually have gratuities that you pay per person per day. And kami, we prepay it already upon booking para wala na kaming problema upon checkout. Yung interior rooms nga pala, it's the same as our balcony room. They just don't have a balcony. So wala lang to. But the rest of the room, ganito rin yung itsura ng interior room nila. But still, we still find it sulit for the whole family, yung cruising, kasi you already have your room, you don't need to book a hotel anymore, and then you already have food also for everybody. One to sawa pa siya, you can, parang it's eat all you can. So, mas sulit siya for us. Tapos, we're all in the same area, nakakapag-bonding yung mga kids, yung mga cousins, tas kami rin nakakapagkwentuhan. So, it's a sulit bonding activity for the entire family. That's why we actually really love cruising. So that's it muna for now. We are getting ready to disembark the ship. We are preparing everything. And by 7:15, we will move to the Windjammer to have breakfast before we disembark. And I will let you know later also kung kamusta din yung magiging experience namin going back to Hong Kong City from Kai Tak Cruise Terminal. Actually, we're already here na sa Kai Tak Cruise Terminal. Ayan na, nakadock na kami. There! Ayan na, good morning! We're docked already. Yes, we're going home. Ano, kamusta? Magko-cruise ka ulit?
Yes, ito eh.
Kamustahin din natin yung experience ng iba kasi actually, this is our second time to cruise with the entire family. Pero ngayon, halos kalahati ng grupo nagsuka, nahilo, nagkasakit. Kasi sobrang alog talaga ng barko namin for this sailing. So, tignan natin kung gugustuhin pa rin nilang mag-cruise after this. Pero kami, in all honesty, we really like cruising. Ayan si Mama. Good morning! May mga bumababa na actually. Oh, wait. Ayan o, may mga nag-disembark na. Kami naman, we will take our time because our flight back to Manila actually is later at 9 p.m. pa. Hindi na kami kumuha ng hotel pala ulit ngayon sa Hong Kong kasi may pasok na yung mga kids tomorrow. So, diretso fly back na kami to Manila today. Ito rin pala yung balcony namin. Ngayon lang kami nakalabas ng balcony ng maayos. Pwede niyong ipa-open itong mga balcony doors if you have connecting rooms or if kakilala niyo yung katabing room. So, mas maluwang. Yes. So, ayan. 4 rooms kami. all connecting yung balcony namin. There. Time check, it's 9 a.m. Bumaba na kami dito sa Deck 5. Mag-exit na kami.
Please have your room key in hand to exit. Thank you for cruising with us and have a nice day.
We're out of the ship. The ship is there. So you have to tap your SeaPass card again going out of the ship. I'm not sure lang if there is an immigration here pa sa terminal because we are re-entering Hong Kong technically. Nandito na kami sa baggage claim from the ship. So nandyan yung mga luggage tags. Tapos hanapin nyo dun yung luggage ninyo. Ito yung sa amin. Luggage tag number 2. Ayan, yung mga luggage namin. They're here naman. Okay, nakuha na namin lahat ng luggage namin. So far, everyone's complete. Hindi na kami dumaan ng immigration. So, diretso na kuha ng luggage and then we're gonna go exit the terminal na. Hello, nakasakay na kami sa bus. 20A going to Tsim Sha Tsui area. Medyo nagka-problema lang kami sa payment kasi they can only accept cash, credit card, or online. Kung card, kailangan individual yung pag-tap. And since marami kami, pumayag naman sila na yung cash basta total amount ng lahat ng tao kasi no change, basta kailangan exact fare. So just remember, if you will commute, just make sure you have enough cash on hand. Yung pamasahin niya one way is $7.50. Exact change dapat. Or each of you should have a card for paying. One person each. Hello, nandito na kami sa Silver Cord. Success naman yung bus ride namin from the Kai Tak Terminal up to here sa Silver Cord. Hindi kami nakakuha ng service from the cruise terminal up to here now kasi we weren't sure kung saan kami pupunta. Wala na kasi kaming hotel. Kaya nag-commute lang kami. So yung next challenge namin is going to the airport later. So for now, nandito kami, Food Republic, ayan, sa Silver Cord. Dito na muna kami magla-lunch. This is a food court para we have an area na pwedeng tambayan kasi yan yung mga luggage. Ito na ang mga kasama. Magko-cruise ba ulit? Tanungin natin yung mga nahilo, nagsuka. Ano, kahit nahilo, nagsuka, magko-cruise pa rin?
Of course.
Of course. Pwede pa rin. ito pa. Magko-cruise pa rin?
Ayaw naman.
Oo naman. Nasaan na yung isa pa? Si Vanna. Wala pa. Oh. Medyo maraming ang nahilo sa amin pero still, magko-cruise pa rin daw ulit. If ever. Okay. Hello. We are already here at the Airport Express. Last minute shopping lang kami kanina sa Tsim Sha Tsui. And then after that, papunta na kami sa airport. Time check, it's almost 5 p.m. Hindi rin kami makakuha ng airport transfer kasi hindi namin alam actually kung ano yung balak namin after the cruise. Kaya sabi namin, sige, kaya nang i-commute yan. Anyway, kaya naman. It just became stressful because of the payment method here in Hong Kong. It would have been less stressful kung tumatanggap sila ng credit card
Or the hundreds.
or the 100 bills sa ticket machine. Ang problema, hindi sila tumatanggap ng hundreds. So, kailangan pa namin ipabarya yung mga pera namin. 19 nga kami. So, yun yung actually naging challenge namin. But other than that, it would have been fast and easy. So just remember again, when you're here in Hong Kong, make sure you have small bills. And sa ticket machine ng train station, the maximum amount that they accept is $50. Doon kami nagka-problema. Pero may nakasulat kasing 100.
Yeah, and
Pero
we were
hindi siya
expecting
tinatanggal.
na the Alipay was gonna work,
Yeah.
but it wasn't working also.
Meron din siya kasing option for Alipay na QR code, pero it did not work. So, dun kami medyo na-stress kanina. We're already here at the airport. Time check, it's 5:25. Abot naman si Nabi sa flight niya. Her flight is at 7:05. So, didiretso na siya sa Melbourne. She just joined us for the family cruise. Tinabi's leaving na. Nakapag-check-in na siya with the boarding pass. She's going back to Melbourne. Ayun siya.
Wala pa nga eh.
Bye-bye! Hello! Nasa loob na kami ng airport. Finally, nakapasok na kami. It was an easy process naman sa check-in and sa immigration. Mabilis yung process ng check-in dito ni Cebu Pacific. Kahit na maraming tao, mabilis lang yung pila. Actually, hindi pa nga kami ready, kami na. And meron din sila nung self-help kiosk na kayo na yung magpiprint ng bag tag and boarding pass. They have a different counter for that also. So it makes the process smoother. Medyo nagka-problema lang kami ng konti sa security. Medyo mahigpit sila kahit yung mga keys. Basta anything pointed, they have to verify what it is. Pero okay naman. So anyway, finally, na-survive namin yung wait namin for the whole day. And na-survive din namin yung commute namin from Tsim Sha Tsui area to the airport. Okay naman. Pagod lang, pero carry. So that's it! Yeah, we're going to end our travel here already. We're going back to Manila today. We're just gonna have dinner and then we're going to board the flight now. We're just waiting for boarding. Ito na yung mga kasama. Thank you! See you! Goodbye! Bye! 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 Thank you! See you!